stop. It goes on and on and on and on.
What was left for me to do after Black Jazz 2? Had to escape the studio and send myself back to school. Now I'm a law student, I got the mens rea. Combine the actors Reyes, put it into your career. Now I'm sitting in the class 3 times a week, trying to study plus get this money, cause these times are bleak. The world's flat broke, real talk, no gas like flat coke. People start to lack hope and all because some fat bloke made of a politician leave you with no pot to pissing and voting. Ain't changing nothing, them suckers don't even listen. Wishing for God's miracles, I'm only a man, superhero with death lyricals and known in Japan. Here to bring you something much slicker than the oil in Iran. The prone to make a sudden move, but I can show them my hands. I'm about to show them my plans if they can show me some grands. Don't get it twisted, I'm a misfit that can hold them to ransom. And I'm soaring like an eagle, observing all things illegal, condemning everything evil. Like people who killing people. Is this the way of the world? Is it from disobeying the girl that provided the birth and welcomed them to earth? It could take days and it could take months. You can be wrong a million times but only be right once. Yeah, that one time matters. Just look up a rock, so I don't really have the time for sitting watching the clock. Clock watches.
It goes on and on and on and on. And you don't stop. And the shit don't stop. It goes on and on and on and on.
Clock watches.
It goes on and on and on and on. And you don't stop. And the shit don't stop. It goes on and on and on and on.
Yo, what was left for me to say after they caused so much pain and left the people feeling crazy like they going insane? The only place to find some privacy's inside of your brain. You just a number, so no wonder peeps don't call you by name and make you feel like everything you want is all in your range. Maybe it is, and maybe time for some change. Just like we living in the Matrix and we know something strange. You cannot wait for the days when we could show them they shame. But for now, even though you don't wanna, gotta learn to hold your corner. Even though you just wanna let off steam just like a sauna. Keep the faith, pray, meditate, find your way. Levitate beyond the brave and hesitating never pays. So I'm quick, fast, hit the ground running. Choose my peeps real careful. I don't hang around cunning individuals who using me to further their agenda. Put my foot down and now they act like I am the offender. I don't know about that, I just know about rap. Family, love, life, law, little this and that. It's a rap, filling parasites and keep on coming back. Yo, it can take days and it can take months. You can be wrong a million times but only be right once. Yeah, that one time matters to get to the top. So I don't really have the time for sitting watching the clock. Clock watches.